In my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people are thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best.
It's Ronaldo. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Would you doubt him? Would you doubt him?
I was feeling from the beginning that I was different than the other ones. I was more special. I was a special kid. When I left my family with 11 years old to live in a different world, I was cry almost every day to miss my family, but without sacrifice, we cannot win nothing. So I did an unbelievable sacrifice, my family too, and I think it was, I did a good option.
Proclaimed by Sir Alex Ferguson as one of the most exciting young players he's ever seen, the Manchester United boss, urged on by his players, has moved quickly to capture the signature of Portuguese teenage sensation Cristiano Ronaldo in a £12.25 million deal.
You have to be faster than the other players, you have to be stronger, you know, you have to be better than them. So I prepare myself all the time to be in a good shape, you know, to compete.
And here goes Cristiano Ronaldo in familiar style, and in familiar style he scored.
I dedicate myself 100% to my job all the time. So I work, I had opportunities, so I work hard. I dedicate myself all the time, and I love it. I love it to play football because it's my life. I passed 6 years in Manchester. I win many titles in terms of collective and individual. It was unbelievable timing for me here in England.
Hoy ha llegado el momento. Hoy damos la bienvenida a su nueva casa. Hoy recibimos a Cristiano Ronaldo.
I always strive for a new challenge. This is what I try to do, to move Manchester from Madrid. Because I really like to put myself in the pressure to see what I can do. It's like a challenge for me. I want to do it best as I can. And you know, when you do something with the passion, you know, it's more easy. It's not about the money, it's about the passion. I think I am an ambition person, ambition player, and you know, and this is my life. This is what I love to do. I want more and more. I still have many years to play football, and I want to win more things.
Back to Ronaldo. There it is. Hat-trick number 38 in the famous white shirt. An ongoing La Liga hat-trick record.
I just focus to do my best. To train well, to play well, to help the team to win games, and I try to do my best. I think the numbers, they say everything. I don't need to say, I'm a minister of football, I'm a legend. The numbers say everything, so I'm very comfortable.
He's been able to advance and play it in for Cristiano Ronaldo to score.
In my area, I think I'm the best. People can say whatever they want when they don't know you. I don't care about that. I don't read papers, I don't read magazines. I don't care what the people say about me. People now thinking that, oh, they have money, they have cars, they have everything, but they didn't know that we suffered to achieve that. I have what I have now because I'm sacrificing a lot. Dedication, hard work all the time, and belief. The life is good, you know, I'm blessed, I work for that. My motivation is to work more, to make my name always in the top level. This is my motivation.
Brilliant from Cristiano Ronaldo!
We have to be all the time ready, you know, for the big circumstances. So, you know, I'm always ready for every game, for every competition, so it's good.
And the best FIFA Men's Player of 2016 is Cristiano Ronaldo.